Hi, this is Ava from Realty Candy. This video is going to be a generalized overview of how to add a widget to your website quickly and easily. Hi. I'm going to be using JS Fiddle as my example for this video, but the techniques that I'm going to be using can be applied to WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and more. To get started, go to idxaddons.com and select the app you want to install. For this example, we're going to be using the search tool. So you just click on it and then you can edit the options however you'd like. Just make it the way you want it. And then we're going to go down and click on copy code down here. So our code is now copied and now we can go to JS Fiddle. So we go over here, pop the code into the HTML section, select run, and then this is what your search code area is going to look like. So you can tweak it and edit it however you want, but this is just kind of what it's going to look like. And this will be effective for any website platform that you're going to be using. So to recap what we just went over of the 3 easy steps of applying a widget to your website, first you go to idxaddons.com and select the widget that you'd like to apply. Second, you copy the code. And third, apply it to your website. So typically on your website platform, there will be an area that says add element or edit or something like that. And wherever you paste your code, that is where your widget is going to appear. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and have fun enhancing your website with your new widgets.